Welcome. Can you really test a rough diamond at home using an onion? Here's the full truth. If you've ever found a shiny stone and wondered whether it might be a real rough diamond, you're not alone. Many people around the world look for simple home methods to check their stones without expensive tools. And among all these methods, a surprisingly popular one is testing a rough diamond using an onion. Yes, an onion. It may sound strange, but many beginners and collectors have tried this method. And in this article, you'll discover exactly how it works, what it reveals, and why it can actually help you identify your stone. This guide was written to welcome you, keep you engaged, and give you every detail you need. So sit back and enjoy, because what you'll learn today might truly surprise you. Why is the onion test so interesting? Most diamond tests involve tools like a magnifying lens, a scratch test, a flashlight, fire or heat, water and salt, diamond testers. But the onion test stands out because it uses something found in every kitchen. So the big question is, can an onion really help you identify a real diamond? Let's find out. Does the onion reveal a real diamond? Here's the truth. An onion cannot confirm a diamond 100%, but it can help you observe a key property that real diamonds have. Diamonds do not react with acids, organic liquids, or sulfur compounds, and onions contain natural acids, sulfur compounds, organic moisture. These can slightly affect some fake stones, but a real diamond stays unchanged. That's why this method is helpful as a preliminary test. How to test a rough diamond at home using an onion. Follow these steps carefully. Prepare a fresh onion. Cut the onion in half so the inner juicy layers are exposed. This is where the natural acids and sulfur are found. Clean your stone. First, rinse it with water only. This removes dirt that might affect the result. Rub the stone on the onion surface. Take the stone and gently rub it on the inner moist part of the onion for 20 to 30 seconds. Observe what happens next. This is the most important part. If the stone is a real rough diamond, it stays shiny, no foggy layer appears, no reaction occurs, no discoloration, surface remains hard and bright. If the stone is fake, depending on the material, you may notice a slight fog forming, loss of shine, a thin film from onion acid, small chemical reaction on glass or quartz. This happens because fake stones can react to organic acids, but diamonds do not. Why is this test useful? Because even though it's simple, it helps demonstrate one of the most important characteristics of diamonds. Diamonds are chemically resistant and almost impossible to react with natural acids. So this test can quickly eliminate glass, quartz, synthetic stones, decorative stones, and help you move a step closer toward identifying a real diamond. Important warning. The onion test alone is not a final confirmation. Use it alongside other tests such as scratch test, fog test, light reflection test, heat fire test, saltwater test, a professional diamond tester. By combining these methods, you can reach a much more accurate result. Final message to the viewer, why you should watch until the end. This method is only the beginning. If you truly want to understand your stone, the rest of the tests will reveal how real diamonds behave under light, how they handle heat and scratching, how to compare real versus fake rough diamonds, the most common mistakes beginners make, how to avoid being fooled by shiny stones. This article video is designed to be your complete, simple, and powerful guide for identifying rough diamonds at home. So don't stop here, follow through to the end to learn everything any rough stone. Diamond testing journey starts.